Indonesia is about to change city travel forever with a new eVTOL that can turn a 1-hour drive into just 8 minutes. Today we'll talk about how Vela Prima Nusantara, a startup from Indonesia, is shaking up urban travel with their new eVTOL, the Alpha. What could this mean for our daily commutes and travel to remote places? Let's take a closer look at Vela's plans and what makes this aircraft so special. Welcome to our channel. Indonesia's Vela Prima Nusantara is making bold moves in the electric vertical takeoff and landing space, or eVTOL. This up-and-coming startup, launched in 2020, has already flown its Alpha eVTOL for 30 hours as of September 25, 2024. And that's just the start. They're aiming to test a full-sized version by late 2027 and kick off commercial flights in 2028. Vela is moving fast thanks to early partnerships like the one with Indonesian Aerospace, PT Dirgantara Indonesia, or PTDI. Production will happen at PTDI's facilities in Bandung, West Java. They're also chasing certifications in Indonesia and the US, which would open the door for operations in Asia and North America. The company already has interest from buyers, with letters of intent for up to 120 Alpha units. Customers include Fly Bali, a luxury air charter service, and Belgium's AD Trade, which plans to use the aircraft for VIP transport and medevac missions in Africa. The Alpha's design is all about innovation. It uses a lift plus cruise setup with 8 lift propellers on fixed wings and a rear pusher propeller for forward flight. Here's what it can do. In electric mode, it can fly about 100 kilometers, or 62 miles, at a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour, or 155 miles per hour. In hybrid mode, it can go up to 500 kilometers, or 310 miles, and reach speeds of 300 kilometers per hour, 186 miles per hour. Safety is a top priority. With 9 motors spread out across the aircraft, it can keep flying even if one fails. Plus, it's designed to operate quietly, a must for urban areas. Pricing is another big draw. At one point, $5 million to $2 million per unit, the Alpha is a more budget-friendly option compared to pricier models like the Lilium Jet, which costs around $7 million. The Alpha eVTOL is all about making city travel faster and easier. A trip from Jakarta's central business district to Soekarno-Hatta International Airport often takes over an hour by car. With the Alpha, it's just an 8-minute flight. Its hybrid electric option adds even more flexibility. It's great not just for quick city trips, but also for longer routes, scenic tours, and even medevac missions. The Alpha's design could also make a big difference in remote areas, especially in Indonesia, a country with more than 17,000 islands where access can be a challenge. Vela's growth is happening at an exciting time for Indonesia's aerospace industry, which has been relatively quiet in recent years. Teaming up with PTDI brings valuable local expertise to the table. PTDI has a rich background, from the ambitious, though unsuccessful, N250 turboprop program in the 1990s to the more recent N219 project. Even if the timelines for those projects weren't always smooth, this partnership also showcases Indonesia's potential to build its own supply chain for eVTOLs, especially with its vast nickel reserves, a key material for batteries. This year's Singapore Air Show was a big moment for Vela. They displayed a smaller version of the Alpha at PTDI's booth, and it caught plenty of attention. Fly Bali, a luxury air charter service in South Kuta, is interested in using it for high-end tours. AD Trade Belgium plans to put the Alpha to work in Africa for missions like medevac and VIP transport. Of course, competition is heating up. Chinese company EHang, for example, has already sold 100 of its smaller, single-seat autonomous aircraft to Indonesia's Prestige Aviation. With a starting price of $334,000, EHang is targeting a different market, which leaves room for Vela's larger, hybrid-capable Alpha to carve out its niche. The advanced air mobility market in Southeast Asia is taking off, and Vela is positioning itself as a regional leader. While most eVTOL projects in the region are led by Western companies, the Alpha has a chance to become Indonesia's first civil aircraft in decades. Indonesia's unique geography, with its thousands of islands and densely populated areas like Java, makes it perfect for eVTOL adoption. Java alone is home to more than half of Indonesia's population. The Alpha's ability to cut travel times and bypass city congestion could transform how people and goods move across this diverse and dynamic country. What do you think? Will Vela Prima Nusantara succeed in changing how we travel in cities? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, check out our related video on Beta Technologies, the under-the-radar eVTOL startup making waves in the industry. Discover what makes them a key player in the eVTOL market.